Hi, I'm Dee. I'm here to show you guys how to use Drop Shine. We're going to start with Drop Shine, your 3-in-1 serum. This is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, as well as protecting your hair from salt water, UV rays, and all pollutants in any city environment. So I'm actually going to start by putting Drop Shine in my wet hair before I blow dry as my heat protectant. So with your Drop Shine, it is a travel safe bottle. It does have a child safety lock on the top so that you don't lose all your precious oil in your bag. So you do need to do a little push down and then twist to get the lid off. 1 to 2 to 3 drops is all you need. I have a lot of hair, so I am going to use 3 drops for mine. Just spread the product through your hands and apply mid-lengths to ends. Now I'm going to use my detangle brush to spread the product evenly through my hair. So now I'm going to blow dry.
It's a losing game, it's a losing game, but this time it's more than another love.
So when I finish styling my hair with a blow dryer, I'm going to use Drop Shine as a finishing product. So again, 1 to 3 drops. This will lock in moisture, add shine, and it is anti-frizz. So again, applying it from mid-length down, and you can use your detangle brush or a wide tooth comb to spread the product evenly.